All right, welcome back. Just a quick advisory that the NYPD posted a drone advisory on X, formerly Twitter, stating the following, and I quote, "A pre-scheduled and permitted drone flight on December 26th, that's today, at between 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. This flight will take place in the vicinity of the World Trade Center. So please don't be alarmed if you see drones in Lower Manhattan today. This is not anything nefarious. So to all you crazy drone sighting conspiracy theorists, again, this is a planned event near the World Trade Center. After all the recent drone sightings this past month, please do not confuse these drones with anything other than what it is, a planned event." And that ends today's advisory. Okay, go enjoy the rest of your Christmas holiday and all those new Christmas gifts you found under the tree yesterday. See you soon.